Being a huge Harry Potter fan, I wanted to design a simple Harry Potter styled key holder, and this is the entire process using Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Choose the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of 170 by 280 mm. Round the corner by 35 mm. Now let's go to Google and search for Harry Potter SVG. There are a lot of free resources available for Harry Potter SVG designs. You can browse through them and choose the one you like and download them so we can use them in our project. I have chosen these elements to create my designs. I have already created a sketch for my design, so I'm going to put the element accordingly. If you want to download free cut files, you can find the link to the shop in the description. Let's copy these 4 elements, which we are also going to use to cut out individually as our second layer. Now select them together and choose the shape builder tool. Press and hold the Alt key and remove the extra area by dragging the mouse. Now select the ellipse tool and create a 1.5 mm circle. This will be the guiding hole for our iron hooks. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. This would really help publishing content like this more often. Five holes will be suitable for this size of key holder. Let's align them vertically and click on horizontal disputation to create equal balance between them. Make a group and adjust them on the layer. Select all of them together and make a copy. Now choose these elements and make a copy. Choose the Pathfinder tool to merge these two together, and then Pathfinder tool again to cut the holes. Now select all of them together and merge them, and then cut the holes in them. So this is going to be 2 layered key holder, and we are going to put these elements on the base layer. Now let's open it in the LightBurn software and cut them out. I'm going to cut the base layer in black color and the upper layer in dark brown color and individual elements in golden color. I'm using Sculpfun S9 machine. I ventilated overboard and created a bunch of Harry Potter designs. If you want to own these files, you can check the link in the description. There are also a lot of free laser cut files available to download. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.